Alright, so this is an intro video. This is, of course, Blackboard. I'm gonna log on to my to the summer matter and energy class, the summerB, and it's right here. So let me click on that. All right, so this should be the first screen that you see. It's really large, so that I can talk about it. All right, so this under construction until the first day of class will obviously disappear when we're ready to go. So just about everything you need, except for the two essays, are in here. So this is the weekly lectures and what are called online chapter challenges. So you open this up and let's see. So these videos that I'm making are going to be right here. These are the old versions. There's each week, and you would start, for example, of course, and on week 1, and what are called chapter challenges. So let's open up week 1 and take a quick look at it. What's called the chapter challenges are always, I put them right at the top of each weekly date. And so the first chapter challenge, for example, they're all due on Thursdays at noon. Okay, so the Thursday of that particular week, for week 1, for week 2, and so forth. So chapter challenge 1, you just simply open it up like so, and there's some videos that are these are all linked to YouTube. So there's the chapter 1 PowerPoints. You'd click on that, and that's just PowerPoints. And then the videos are, oh no, actually I think that is a video. So that just basically describes chapter 1. And when you're ready, after you've watched these videos down here, when you're ready to take the chapter challenge, you just click on this, and it opens up to a test. It's both multiple choice and like numerical calculations, really simple calculations. All right, so that's basically the way it works, or what you'll see. And the big thing, the big thing for the online chapter challenge is to really just keep up with everything, right? So sorry, these are backwards. So week 1 obviously is down here, week 2, and then we have our first test. These are the answers to the homework. You can't see them right now. So each week you'll have a homework set. Let's look at that real quick. So going back to week 1, so there's week 1 for our summerB. So here's the lecture at homework 1. The two homeworks, generally there's 2 homeworks. I think a few weeks there's not. But for homework 1, for example, let me open this up. There it is. This is the homework 1. Whoops, let me. So you're going to turn it in. You physically, electronically, you're turning it in. You click right here, and you submit the homework. I'll talk about that in just a little bit more about that. So here's the lectures. You click on these, and you watch the videos. Again, they're on YouTube. The link takes you right to YouTube. So these are the first parallel exercises that are that you just answer these. All right. So once you got a choice. Okay. So when you do your homework, all right, I'm going to click on this link. Let's say we've done our homework, and see where it says preview the uploaded assignment. So you have to upload your homework. There's the homework again. It's just telling you what pages and what problems. Notice these are what are called parallel exercises, which the parallel exercises are generally problems, and what you're going to do is so this is again where you have like a choice. You can, oops, sorry. You can write a submission. That's not the best choice, I don't think. Let's say you've done all these problems. You can do them on Word, on a Word document. That's fine. Once you've done that, what I suggest is you put it on your desktop, on your computer, and you just click Browse My Computer right here. And you can, look into the Documents area, for example. And you can click, or I'm sorry, the desktop, and you go after it, go after whatever. You just find that file, and then you just click open, and let's say, for example, here's TJ's stuff. Here is, I haven't on this computer. I haven't transferred those files yet. All right, so let's just say. Here's last summer's. So let's say it's Physics 250. Let's say it's this file. It's not, but let's just say it is. You just click open, and see, notice the file appears right here. And then what you would do, and this is really important, really, really important, is when you upload the homework or the tests, you always have to click the submit button. All right, I'm not going to do it because I don't want to upload that file, but you click that submit, and then it tells you, okay, the file is uploaded to Blackboard. So you're always going to be turning in your homework that way. It's always electronic. Remember, this is 100% online course. All right, so I'm going to cancel that. So the other thing to mention is a lot of people like to, of course, do numerical problems by hand, right? So let's say you did these by hand instead of doing the problems on a Word document. You would have to scan the file in, right? So you're going to need a scanner. The library has a scanner if you don't actually have one. All right, so anyhow, if you scan the file, you call it homework 1, for example, and then again you click right here, and you're ready to go, right? Hold on, let me move this over a little. Sorry, this is just really large. Put it on your desktop, on your computer, and then click Browse My Computer and go to desktop. Obviously I don't have anything in there right now, but you just click on that file and upload it, right? All right. So let me go back. What about the syllabus? Let's see. Sorry, lost the mouse there for a second. All right, so the syllabus is right here. Notice that this yellow area is called the content area. So this is again where the homeworks, the lectures, and these things called the chapter challenges. Now you might wonder, I'll just briefly talk about this. Why is there a difference between the lectures and the chapter challenges? Now so the lectures, there's going to be a final at the end, and only the material that's on the lectures, what I call the lectures, is going to be on the final. The chapter challenges